everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to s. Our y is square root of s squared minus 1 minus inverse secant of s. We're going to use our secant formula for derivatives of inverse trig functions. So if you, I'm just going to write this a little bigger. To differentiate inverse secant of x, that equals 1 divided by x times the square root of x squared minus 1. For the first part, we're just going to differentiate this piece. So let's, what we want to do is differentiate our s. So we're going to differentiate with respect to s the square root of s squared minus 1 minus derivative with respect to s of our inverse secant of s. All right. So this piece, that can be written as s squared minus 1 to the 1/2. And you differentiate that, that's going to be 1/2 times s squared minus 1 to negative 1/2 times the derivative of s squared, which is 2s. So when you get that, you're going to get, I'll just put y prime here, equals for this. The 2's are going to cancel, so you're just going to get s divided by this squared, square root of s squared minus 1, because that's negative now. So we did that part, and then this, we're just going to copy down our formula. This is going to be minus 1 divided by absolute value of s times the square root of s squared minus 1. And the only thing we have to do next is, let's get our common denominator. So if you have your common denominator, our common denominator is this. So I need to make this have an absolute value of x as well. So this has to have an absolute value of s. So what we're going to do is go ahead and write the final answer with one denominator. So the answer is going to be this equals s times absolute value of s minus 1 divided by absolute value of s times the square root of s squared minus 1. And this was our derivative of y with respect to s. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.